Hey there, Tama here, and today I want to give you a tech tip on adding detailed descriptions in your Google Drive to help you find your documents more easily. Okay, so within your Drive, I'm just going to give a quick example. You can choose any of your folders. Okay, so I'm just going to go down here to this one and I click the three dots or the ellipsis, and I right click and I go down to view details and I click on that. And here I can add a little description about what's in my folder. So if I have a lot of documents in there, I might want to add. So I might want to just type in um, um, third grade ideas, uh, fourth grade ideas, third and fourth grade ideas. Okay. So that then I have an idea what's in that folder. So if I click on it, if I go out of it, right, and I go back into it, and I say, what's in this folder? I can just look on my details and say, there it is. So that's just a quick tip today for keeping your drive organized. Have a great day.